Okay, Michael, I want you to know, this is how your daughter chooses to get around the house. She pushes the chairs. Luna, apparently Luna feels the need to be center stage. Come here, baby. Okay. As you can see, she's pushing the chair, or walking around the chair, crawling around the chair. But yes, that is how lovely baby Circe gets around the house. House? Maybe she'll make that appearance.
Hi.
You gonna say hi to Michael? Say hi, Michael. You say hi, Michael. You say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Michael.
Yeah.
Say hi. Luke, what are you doing? What are you guys doing? So this is what we do after lunch. All the babies play in the dining room / living room, and as you can see, Luna is feeling the need to be a camera hog. Circe loves the block. Those aren't shoes, those are high chairs. And let's see, let's go over here. Luke has something. What are you doing? Circe's realizing that she has been found. Circe. And she's like, no, I will not look at the camera. This is my butt. And let's see here. There she is. For some reason, she loves to go in the kitchen and play on the kitchen floor. Circe. Circe. What are you doing? Circe. Hi. 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 And that's basically how Circe talks. That's the new thing that she's learned to do with her mouth, is say. So yeah, this is the kids playing with their blocks. Circe believes that she's just as big and strong and as tall as they are, and gets very frustrated when she realizes that she's not. Luna, come here. What you doing, Circe? Are you looking outside? Circe. Hi. Really? Ow, Luna, don't throw, baby. Hi. Susie. Seriously. And I come over here, please.
Wow.
No, quit that. Thank you. Luke. Seriously. Seriously, no. Seriously? Okay, Seriously, can you say bye-bye to Daddy? Say bye-bye. Seriously. Seriously. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.